All right, on to exercise number 4. So this involves Snell's law, but an application of it, total internal reflection. What we're trying to do is find the critical angle, the angle at which the light rays coming from the water are completely reflected from the surface. And if you've ever done any diving, you go deep enough, you look up at the surface, you're going to see a very strange sight. You're going to see this phenomena called total internal reflection. So what I'm going to do, very simply, is move the iPad down like this so you can see the stem. It actually works better to have the curved side facing me in this exercise, so I have the curved side facing me. So what I'm going to do is just move this around until you can't see the pin anymore through the water. Now, you may think it's kind of weird, but it'll disappear at one point. My knuckle, nobody wants to see my knuckle. You still can see it, and it disappeared. Now, of course, you still can see this one. What I'm referring to is the light ray coming through the water. You can see it, then you can't see it. You can see it, then you can't. So what I want to do is mark that point at which it disappears. Now, it does disappear over a little bit of a range, so I'm going to try and pick the average when it's kind of right in the middle of disappearing. That's probably the best way to do it using the particular equipment. So what you're going to do is just mark that point with a pin, like that. Then I'm going to go over the other side and do the same thing. I'm going to watch till that pin disappears. Oh, and there it goes. It disappears. Right there. All right, so then, again, I mark that spot right where I see that pin at. I can see it, and then it disappears. So I'm going to do it 2 more times, and then we're going to measure the angle. What I'm going to do is mark the pins, pull the pins out, and do it again, so I won't be influenced from where the pins are. We're going to have 4 different data points, and we're going to average out our critical angle.